Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Arnaud Legoux moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Arnaud Legoux moving average. But before we do, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 54 indicators. And out of those 54 indicators, 16 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of these 16 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the Arnaud Legoux moving average. And if you watched the last video that I did, I put on screen 8 different moving averages, and I showed how different these 8 moving averages really were. And it inspired me to then go back and start testing each and every single moving average out of those 8. We've already tested 2, the standard moving average and the volume weighted moving average. And so that leaves 6 of them. And what I'm going to do is I am going to test the rest of these moving averages, and I am going to do something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm going to test them on the same exact pair on the same exact year. And I'm going to kind of let them go head to head to see which one comes out on top and see how different, if there is any difference, we get out of the number of trades and the win-loss ratio percentage that they are able to achieve. So, they will be a price break moving average, and so basically when the price breaks down below, that is a signal to go short. When the price breaks up above, that is a signal to go long. And that is how we are going to start trading this moving average and the next, I guess it would be 5 technically. So let's get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of the Arnaud Legoux moving average. Let's see, looks like there is the first signal right there, and it looked like it did pretty well. Second signal right there, I can already tell that one definitely hit the 110 pip marker. Alright, let's see here. This one bounced around on us quite a bit here, so let's see here to there. Unfortunately, that would have been a loss on that one. And it came down, it broke below here, before moving right back up above there, right down below here, which I highly doubt hit the target. Let's see. Nope, sure did not. Before then breaking back up above, and let's see. Looks like it was able to hit target. Yes, it was. Before this one hit target. Alright, then it came down, broke down below here, before moving right back up. Let's see. Let's measure that out. I highly doubt. Oh, no. It was able to take profit on that one. Then it came down. It broke down below here. Unfortunately, almost immediately turned back around. Going back up there before turning around and coming back down there. Alright, let's see. Measure this one out here. Did get the win on that one. So you can see we are getting quite a bit of choppiness out of this moving average already. That one was a win there. Alright, keep moving forward here. We're a little more than midway through the year now. We're getting quite a bit of signals. Oddly enough, seem to be getting a decent amount more than what we did with the volume weighted moving average. And so, yeah, I was a little surprised, said, to start noticing that. Oh, by the way, these are all set on a 30 period, in case anybody is interested in the setting on that. And it's a little uncertain at this point. I mean, we seem to be kind of evenly hand in hand with winning trades and losing trades. And so the best we can do is just keep on trucking on here and get to the end of the year, count them up, see what this moving average gives us. We are almost to the end of the year. Now, let's get these last couple of signals wrapped up here. And I believe that is it right there. Alright, so as you can see, we got quite a few signals from this moving average. Like I said, I was a little surprised to notice that we were getting an over trading situation. I believe, I would have to double check, but I believe on the volume weighted moving average, of course, I'm not sure if we tested it on this particular pair or not. I believe we only got 25 trades. And so, yeah, we'll see as we keep playing around with it. But yeah, I didn't expect this many trades out of it. Let's count them out here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 winning trades. And so, unfortunately, this does not meet the 60% win-loss ratio threshold to move on to the next steps of the testing process. And so, again, it'll be interesting to see when we stack them next to each other how they compare. So, I'm a little excited to see the results of this side-by-side moving average testing. But at the moment, we know that the Arnaud Legoux is a no-go for moving forward. It's going on the no list. Do you like that pun there? All right. Anyways, like I said, it's going on the no list, and we will move on to the next moving average from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.